Your CTAs can be the biggest factor in turning visitors into paying customers. Yet, for most businesses, this is an afterthought. I can count how many clients I had who spent more time and resources on creating the prettiest website while ignoring the purpose of their website. If your website is not generating leads for your business, it is a waste of time and money. Imagine this: by tweaking your CTAs, you could double, triple, or 10x your leads with the same traffic. Sounds amazing, right? In today's video, I'll show you how to transform your CTAs into irresistible conversion magnets. First up, let's talk about language. Your CTA text should be crystal clear and action-oriented, guiding your visitor on exact what they'll get and what action they need to take. For instance, phrases like "start your free trial," "subscribe now," and "get instant access" are direct and compelling. They tell the visitors precisely what they expect and encourage immediate action. On the flip side, vague terms like "submit," "click here," or "learn more" don't convey the value or urgency of the action, making them less effective. Think of the CTA as direct conversation with your customer. Be specific and motivating. Next, let's make your CTAs stand out. They need to be visually distinct from the rest of your page content to grab attention. Start by using contrasting colors that draw the eye. Your CTA button should pop against your site's background. Additionally, make sure your buttons are large enough to be easily clickable on any devices, whether it's desktop, tablet, or mobile. The goal is to make your CTAs impossible to miss, encouraging visitors to take the desired action without hesitation. Remember, a standout CTA can increase your conversion rate. Placement is really important. Position your CTAs strategically where visitors naturally look and scroll. Common places includes above the fold, at the end of the content, in the middle of a large page, and in the navigation bar. Each spot offers unique advantages. For example, above the fold captures immediate action, while in content CTAs encourage readers who are already interested. Experiment with different placements to see what resonates best with your audience. Track the performance of various placements and optimize for maximum engagement and conversions. Creating a sense of urgency is key to encouraging immediate action. Studies have shown that urgency can significantly boost conversion rates. For example, a case study by Conversion Excel found that adding a sense of urgency increases conversions by 332%. Use time-sensitive words like "now," "today," or "limited time offer" to convey that waiting could result in missing out on a great deal. Phrases emphasizing urgency such as "offer ends tonight" or "only 4 spots left" can compel visitors to act quickly. Additionally, incorporating countdown timers can be very effective, visually reminding visitors that time is running out. For instance, Amazon uses countdown timers during sales events like Prime Day to create urgency and drive massive sales. This sense of urgency prompts visitors to take action before it's too late, significantly increasing sales. Highlighting the benefits makes your CTAs more compelling and effective. Instead of just instructing visitors to act, emphasize what they'll gain by doing so. For instance, "start your free trial today and save 20%" combines a clear action with a compelling benefit. This approach not only directs the visitor to act, but also adds value, making the offer more attractive. A case study by Unbounce found that emphasizing benefits in the CTA copy increased conversions by 90%. For example, Netflix's "watch anywhere, cancel anytime" clearly outlines the benefits of subscribing, making the offer more enticing. By clearly outlining the benefits, you help the visitors understand what they stand to gain, increasing the likelihood they'll take the desired action. This method adds value and makes your CTAs irresistible. Finally, leverage social proof to boost trust and credibility. Incorporate statements like "join 10,000 plus subscribers" or showcase the number of people who already take the action. Highlighting such metrics can reassure new users that others have found value in your offer, encouraging them to follow suit. Studies show that social proof can significantly impact customer behavior. According to Nielsen report, 92% of people trust recommendations from friends and family, over other types of advertisement. Let's look at Amazon, which displays customers' reviews and ratings. Testimonials, reviews, and success stories are powerful forms of social proof that can make your CTAs more persuasive and effective. For instance, showcasing testimonials of satisfied customer can create a connection and build trust with potential customers, making them more likely to take action. But this is just one piece of the conversion rate optimization puzzle. So watch this video next to see how you can get even more out of your traffic.